If it looks like we were scared to death, like a couple of kids just trying to save each other, you should have seen it in color.
Hello vlog. Are we in Vanceburg, Michael? We're in Vanceburg at a gas station getting ice. Clay wants to say hey. Hang on a sec, wave. Okay. But yeah, we're in Vanceburg. Mom's inside the gas station getting ice. Want to stop and get some breakfast, either at McDonald's or Burger King, whichever one we reach first, because we've had Bojangles a lot lately. And Cullen getting out to help Mama with the ice. So yeah, I'll tell you guys later. Mama. Where did this rain come from?
I don't know, but it's a shit right out of the sunshine.
Hello. I'm glad we left the beach when we did.
Why are these people trying to speed up over here?
Alright, you guys, 11:37. I'm not going to bed right yet. My back got a little bit burnt because my back hasn't got as much sun as the front part of my body. Hang on. I packed a black pair of shorts that I did not wear today because I just kept my babies to cover up on. I couldn't find a pair this morning, but I actually found a pair. That's funny. Hang on. Let me get my hair closed. New music drops at midnight, so I'm trying to set for that. The only song I really know that comes out is Jason Aldean's song with Carrie Underwood. But hang on, I need to tell mama something. Yeah, I know that's the way to do it tomorrow. But it's okay. I'm wearing the outfit that I was gonna wear today, tomorrow. But yeah, I'll tell you guys before I go to bed after listening to music. Bye guys. Alright, it's 12:26 in the morning. I'm about to go to bed. All the songs are really good. Especially the Jason Aldean and Carrie Underwood one. My allergies are killing me. But yeah. If you like today's video, give a big thumbs up, subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Yeah, I'll see you.